Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm going to be your host for today's Crafty Vision segment. Before I get started, y'all, I want to say please do me a favor and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up so that someone else can enjoy this content, okay? The reason why I'm saying this is because the more thumbs ups that we get on our videos, it will help our videos go into rotation. All right, so I would greatly appreciate you all doing that for me, and also if you would like to share the video as well. All right, so here we go, y'all. So today I'm going to show y'all, for those of you who were able to come to my live this morning, I did a live early yesterday morning, and I was doing some painting of these dowels that I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so you're going to need, well, this is a paint dowel that I took off of one of the paint brushes from the Dollar Tree. All right, so you are going to need a dowel. We're going to be doing some looper earrings. Okay, we're going to make a pair of earrings using these loopers. Y'all know that I think outside the box. I am never inside the box, okay? So you're going to need some, this is 9-gauge aluminum wire. If you don't have 9-gauge aluminum wire, you can use whatever wire you have, okay? This piece is 15 inches long. You're going to need some wire cutters. You're going to also need some round nose pliers and a fish hook for your earring, okay? So here we go. So you can put your color, you can put this on your dowel pretty much any way you want to, but this is the order that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do it in orange, green, and this pink here. Now, if y'all hear some music, my husband is working on something. So, all right, so let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing we want to do is we want to take this orange looper, and I'm going to take my dowel. I'm going to place it just like this. Now you want to make sure that your dowel, where the hole is right side up, okay? You don't want to do it like this, right side up, okay? We will be flipping it, but for right now, we're going to be doing the first piece right side up. So what you want to do is you want to put it on like this, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to take your hand and put your hand through, and you're going to do what I'm showing you, okay? Just like this, okay? Flip. And as you are doing this, you want to take your this hand here, and you're going to be turning it as you are doing this technique, okay? And when you get to the bottom, okay, when you get to the bottom, you're just going to take it and bring it over just like this, okay? And this is what you're going to have. So this is the first one, okay? This is the first one. So the next thing you want to do is, now this time we're going to go with the green. So the green one we're going to take and flip it this way, okay? So the hole is going to be down the bottom, and we're going to come up here to this end and do this pretty much the same way. Take your hand, put your hand through, and turn it just like this, under. Now you're going to have to do this for a little bit until you actually really get this technique down, okay? Just like this. And what I'm doing is I want some of the black to still show in the earring. Okay, I'm not trying to cover it up completely. And then when you get here, you just bring this piece over just like this, and there you go. Okay, that's the second piece. Now this pink one, we're going to do the same exact way. So I'm going to come back up here to the top where the hole is, bring it over like this, take my hand through, and do just like this. Okay, and you can make, the way that I'm spacing this, you can make this part of the earring as big or as small as you see fit. I am just trying to make sure that the black is still showing, that it still has a presence. And once you get here, you just turn it this way and bring it over just like this. Okay, and this is pretty much what you are going to have. Okay, this is your earring. Okay, now what you want to do with this piece of wire is you want to take your round nose pliers and you're going to come down to the bottom and make a loop. Going to make a loop, and then you're going to kind of sort of make another loop as well. Just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to take my hands. Now if you have some nylon pliers, you can use your nylon pliers to do this, but I'm going to use my fingers. Now this is pretty much what you are going to have. And now you want to make sure that your dowel is right side up where the hole is. You're going to place this on just like this. Okay, and you're going to start wrapping. And when you start wrapping this, you want to make sure that you are holding it as tight as possible. Just like this. Okay, and then you're going to come all the way up. You're going to continue to wrap it, and you're going to come all the way up to the top. And when you come to the top, you're going to be making it as small as possible. So you're going to be, see what I'm doing? You're going to be filling in, pretty much filling in your hole, if at all possible, just like this. Okay, continue to wrap. And when you feel like now you don't have to completely seal it all the way in. It depends on how long you want this part of your earring to be. So I'm going to keep wrapping, and I'm actually just about done. So here you have it. Okay, so this is pretty much what your earring is looking like. And then all you want to do is take your round nose pliers and you're going to push this piece up. I'm going to straighten this up a little bit. And I'm going to tuck it. For those of you who've been following me, y'all already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to tuck it down inside my hold, just like this. Tuck it down, and straighten it up. Okay, and that's what you're going to have. And then all you do next is take your hook and you put your hook on. You can open this up a little bit more. Put your hook on like this. Okay. And you have yourself some cute dowel earrings. Now you can do this design in multiple colors. The aluminum wire that I am using for these earrings is a matte copper color wire. Just trying to get it to sit up, but it won't do that. So, but you can choose many colors with this loopers, and you can do these earrings in multiple colors. Okay. So this concludes my video. Once again, please make sure you thumbs up the video. And these are lightweight. They are not heavy at all. They're different, they're stylish, they're unique, they're abstract, they're wearable art. Okay? So I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. And if you like the content that I provide here on this channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Also make sure that you hit the bell so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. So thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And until my next upload, peace and blessings. See ya.